I've been with Unity. I'm coming up on my 21st year. I've actually been with Dr. Getchus from 1996, 97. Dr. Getchus was, of course, even then, this kind of heroic figure, and she still is for so many of us. One of the things she taught to all of us is that people can't be thrown away.
Dr. Cardell cares. I was blinded from drugs and alcohol for so long that my health had declined. I was homeless.
I think about the moral injury it does to see people suffering so badly on the street. We are there to help meet that suffering, to help eliminate it to the best of our ability, and to help advocate for systems where that suffering doesn't need to exist.
20 years, going on 20 years now. She's been my doctor ever since. The first time I experienced health care, period, in a long time. It reaffirmed my belief that I can care for myself as well. She cares. She cares. Yeah.
It's a privilege to be able to walk alongside someone who's decided that I'm going to understand the dignity of myself and to make choices to really embrace that. Compassion is in fact a powerful force for change. It's crucial to who we are as healthcare for the homeless. It's crucial to who we are as Unity. Dr. Getchus and so many other people involved in healthcare for the homeless and the development of Unity over the last 20, 40 years gave their life, blood, and sweat to create something where people could have access, care with dignity. And that is being chipped away bit by bit without thought to what this would do to the residents and citizens of the city. It is a moral crisis that we are dealing with right now. Hope is deeply important. There's the opportunity for changes in the mind, the changes in the spirit that give new life to places that might have been quite dark before.
All I have is my experience and my hope that anybody can do the same thing I'm doing, you know? Yeah. I love Tony today. I love me today, you know? Yeah.